Hello everyone, today we have a review of a gaming PC case made by Antec, which I must say passed my test with the flying colors. The look itself is a thing that sells the case, I have to admit it or not. The nx400 in this segment has strong advantages and looks attractive and modern. The RGB lighting is great for this price range, so you get a solid front RGB panel. That front can look cheap on some other cases, but not on the nx400. The colors are clear, and with a combination of integrated LED controller that you control via button on a PC case, you can achieve the look that you most like at that moment. In addition to the front RGB panel, there is an also RGB fan in the case, which it also looks high quality. Side panel is made from a tempered glass, and with its transparency it additionally contributes to the attractiveness of the case itself, so nx400 looks really great. When it comes to the space, there is enough space. The largest board for which you can put in this is the ATX format, and surprisingly there is enough space for water cooling as well. From the front you can combine two 14 cm or three 12 cm fans, and the same situation is at the top of the case. There is enough space for a power supply, and if it's a larger power supply you can move the slot provided for the hard drives. There are a total of 4 free slots for the SSD and 2 are for the SSD or HDD combination. Since the part where the motherboard is located is slightly indented towards the back, we got additional space for the CPU cooler, so the cooler you can put the cooler that is up to maximum of 17 centimeters in height, which will be enough for some more extreme air cooling solutions. There is a lot of space for cables, and it must be admitted that the layout for cable management is solid, even though the back depth, basically the space between the side and the sheet metal, is not too big. At the top of the case we get two USB 3.0 connectors, one USB 2.0, one for the headphones, one for a microphone, and 3 buttons. One is reset, LED controller, and one is the power on off. The largest graphic card that will fit in this case is up to 33 centimeters. For comparison, we are using the RX 580 GPU that has 23 centimeters. We came to the most important thing, and that is the price. With the price of about $55 or about 50 euros, this case will certainly have an excellent sales result. The nx400 is attractive, high quality and affordable PC case. From us, sincere recommendation for the nx400.